Hello everyone, I'm Dimitri. I'm an architect and instructor at Labideas. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can create a block the right way, okay? It's very important to create blocks for absolutely all elements that repeat in the project and also for our elements that will be used there in the layout. So a sofa, a coffee table, always turn them into a block, okay? And how are we going to do that? So I have a cooktop here, which is separated into several parts. I'll make a selection rectangle, grabbing everything I need, and I'll type the command block and I'll hit enter. In this window, it's very important that we put the name there, okay? I'm going to call it cooktop. This will make it easier to find this block later in a list that I'm going to show you, okay? The pick point is also very important, which is the insertion point. Always define it, okay? Always, really. So I'll click on pick point, click on the point I want. I'll pick this midpoint here and I'll click OK. The block is created. And now let's see the result of being organized here in the configuration. In the Insert tab, which is the second one up here, we also have the first Insert button and we'll have our object listed here. In your file, there might be other blocks there, recently created ones that you might have added to it, okay? But it's there, right here with the correct name. When clicking, our mouse will be exactly at the pick point that I chose. This allows then for a more precise positioning of my block, okay? It's important to create the block also to be able to count them later, in case I want to make a budget or something like that, okay? So we have a lesson that I'll leave in the card here on how to count those blocks that you're creating or that you already have in your project, okay? We also have our complete AutoCAD course, which is here in the description. It's a course from scratch. Super cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and we'll see you in the next ones. Thank you very much.